In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock or unlock files and folders in Windows 11. Fix today here. Let's begin. Do you have files or folders stored inside a password-protected archive that you can no longer access? Many people use WinRAR and 7-Zip to lock important files with a password for added security. When you need access again, all you have to do is enter the correct password and extract the contents. Let's start with unlocking a password-protected RAR file. First, locate the RAR file on your computer, double-click the file to open it. If Windows asks which app you'd like to use, select WinRAR Archiver, then click Just Once or Always. A password window will appear. Enter the password that was used when the archive was originally created. Click OK. If the password is correct, WinRAR will open the archive and display all the files stored inside. To unlock and access the files, click Extract To on the WinRAR toolbar. Choose the folder where you want the extracted files to be saved, then click OK. WinRAR will extract the contents, and the files will now be unlocked and accessible from the selected folder. Now let's look at unlocking a password-protected 7Z file. If Windows cannot find 7-Zip File Manager when opening the file, don't worry. Click Choose an App on your PC. Browse to the location where 7-Zip is installed. Open the 7-Zip folder, select the file name 7zfm.exe, and click Open. This will launch the archive in 7-Zip File Manager. Next, locate your 7-Zip file and double-click it. If prompted, choose 7-Zip File Manager and click Just Once or Always. When the password prompt appears, enter the correct archive password. Click OK. If the password is correct, you'll see the files stored inside the archive. To unlock them, click the Extract button at the top of the window. Choose a destination folder where you want the files to be saved, then click OK. 7-Zip will extract the contents, giving you full access to the files and folders. Keep in mind that if you do not know the correct password, neither WinRAR nor 7-Zip can unlock the archive. You'll need the original password used when the archive was created, and that's how you unlock password-protected files and folders using WinRAR or 7-Zip in Windows 11. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you on the next video.